Welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm making Chawanmushi Japanese steamed egg. The Japanese steamed egg should be silky smooth and nothing but the aroma from the dashi. It's the warm comfort food of cold winter months. Traditionally, chawanmushi consists of varieties of ingredients in individual cups. I made it simple so you can enjoy anytime you want. Let's get started. First, we need a good dashi. Today I'm using thick bonito flakes. The dashi made from thick bonito flakes is really fragrant and aromatic. I use this dashi for the simple dish like this. However, you can use dashi powder instead. Cook it 7 minutes, then pass through the sieve lined with cheesecloth or a paper towel. Set aside until used. Crack the eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Beat the eggs without making foams. If you make foams in the egg, texture goes spongy, and which is not what we are looking for. Add salt and soy sauce. Mix well but avoid making too many foams in the egg. Add dashi little by little and mix well. Make sure not to make too many foams, as I said before. Pass through a sieve set on the jar. I use my big soup bowl to make my steamed egg. Usually, we make steamed egg in individual serving cup, but my son eat a lot, but I don't. So, this is the best way to serve my family. Cut my tofu into 4 and place in a bowl. Pour the egg mixture slowly. Here's my trick to steam things with your ordinary kitchenware. In a big pot, pour a good amount of water and place your shallow dish carefully on the bottom. Put your steamed egg ball on a towel long enough to hang on the side of the pot. Turn off the heat and carefully place it on a dish on the bottom. Cover with cheesecloth covered lid and cook on medium-low for 25 minutes. Cheesecloth prevents from dropping the steam into the egg mixture. Meanwhile, let's make sauce. Rehydrate wakame seaweed in lukewarm water. I'm going to use wakame seaweed, shimeji mushroom, and Mitsuba leaves. You can use any vegetables from your fridge. Cut your wakame seaweed into 1-inch lengths. Cut off the stem from shimeji mushroom. Separate into bite size. Rinse quickly under the running water. Cut Mitsuba leaves into 1-inch lengths. Dissolve potato starch with a tablespoon of dashi. Bring dashi to a boil and add shimeji mushroom. Cook a few minutes until softened. Add seasonings. Add wakame seaweed. Wakame seaweed doesn't need much cooking time, so quickly add potato starch solution to thicken the sauce. Cook until bubbling. Let's take a look at the steamed egg. Shake the bowl and the center is jiggling. It's done. If you are not sure, tap gently with spatula, and if it's bouncy, it's done. Or you can just insert the toothpick in center and no raw egg mixture coming out. It's perfectly done. Take out from the pot, put it on a dish. Pour over a generous amount of your sauce. Garnish with Mitsuba leaves. There you have Japanese steamed egg. We call it chawanmushi. Cover with lid if you have it, to keep it warm and to seal the aroma. Serve with individual bowl and spoon. We love to eat piping hot food, but you can definitely cool it down before eat. The smooth and silky texture of egg custard and the thick sauce melt together in your mouth. It tastes so good. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Please leave your comment below how you like my recipe. Follow me on social media for daily update other than the recipes. And go to my website to get more information. And my store on Amazon is open 24/7, so you can check what I am using in the video. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!